One of the simplest methods to make money online is by just sharing this free YouTube movies, and I recently made over $7,000. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can accomplish this using a laptop or smartphone, even if you have a fresh account, and make $1,000 every week. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Visit our website as a starting step. Here is the dashboard where you can monitor your earnings and stock holdings. Additionally, you can be sure that they'll pay you with a bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney, or Bitcoin. It is simple to use and good for beginners. The next action you must take is visit youtube.com. Anything in these categories can be searched for using the search bar. For instance, you might search for terms connected to business or the arts. You can select from these categories based on what you generally watch on YouTube or what's popular there. For example, what's hot in the music area, the sports category, and so forth. You can choose any of these categories and then search for a keyword within that category. You won't be selling anything. All you'll be doing is sharing those YouTube videos and keeping the revenue they generate. On YouTube, for instance, a search for how to lose weight fast may turn up numerous extremely popular videos with millions of views. This is an extremely popular keyword. Therefore, sharing these YouTube videos will certainly help you make a lot of money. You should focus on videos that are more popular in a particular genre, or on keywords and categories that get a lot of searches and views from individuals all over the world, because doing so will boost the amount of money you receive for sharing them. You should concentrate on videos that receive more views. If you post a video that just gets a few thousand views, you won't make much money. However, you won't receive payment in this manner unless you distribute videos that get at least 100,000 views. You may maximize your result and raise your money by doing this. Let's use this video as an example for step 3 and say you wish to use it. Use this video because, as you can see, people are having fun with it. Simply click the video to start playing. Then scroll down and click this share button. Copy the URL that takes people to this video by clicking the share button. The URL for this video may be found here. Just click copy to add it to your clipboard. Copy the URLs of additional videos, repeat the process, and come back to this page. You only need the links to the other two as you already know the video's URL. In step 4, go to the first website, which is called ookie.io. You can withdraw money from this website using a wide range of payment methods, including PayPal, Skrill, bank transfer, and many others. You will paste the links you copied from YouTube into this box, but first, join up for a free account by clicking the sign up button. Click the submit button after creating a username, entering your email address and password, typing them again, and verifying that you are not a robot by clicking the I am not a robot button. Once you've done that, your new Ookie account will look something like this. You can check your profits, views, and referral earnings here. You can withdraw your money naturally by clicking the withdraw button at the top of our website. As soon as you start making money on your dashboard, you can select the withdraw option and send this website your earnings. How exactly does ookie.io work? So that's how it works. Simply copy the YouTube URLs and paste it here to have it shortened. Every time someone clicks on that shortened URL, you will receive payment. For every 1,000 clicks, you can make up to $5, which is a considerable reward. If you follow through to the end, I'll illustrate how and where you may submit those YouTube videos to receive cash from ookie.io. At first, this could seem a little bit confusing, but if you simply adhere to the direction in this video, by the time it's done, you'll be prepared and ready to begin making money. The URL for the YouTube video must be copied once more in step 5. In order to copy the URL, you went to the video, click share, and then click the copy button next to it. After creating an account with ookie.io, you must paste your link which directs visitors to that YouTube video here, and then click shorten next to this. This is the direct URL to the aforementioned YouTube video. Copy and save this URL because you're going to shorten 2 more separate videos with it. I would suggest leaving this window open and opening tabs for the second and third videos instead of saving it to Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Go back to YouTube and look for another popular video utilizing the same keyword in the same niche as this one. Open the video and choose Share, copy the URL, go back to the second tab of Oki.io. Paste the shortened link to the YouTube videos there. Leave the tab open. That video is the second one in the second link you shortened. Once more time, repeat the procedure. Copy the URL for the third video, open the third tab, put it here, then choose Shorten. Step 6 involves making money through these 3 links. You can use the template that I created for you. We discussed weight loss in greater detail here, and you may watch free 3 films to hasten your weight loss by 7 days. Just go back to Oki.io's main tab. Choose your first shortened link, copy it and paste it into this box for the first video. Go back to the second tab and copy the second link so you can paste it. Copy the third link for the third video from the third tab of Oki.io and paste it there. When someone reads this, they'll see that you talk about losing weight and give them a link to a video they can view for free that will help them to do it. Every time a person clicks on one of your links, Oki.io will give you money. People don't even need to join up for anything. They only need to click on your link for you to get paid. Just forward your links and this script to anyone you think might be interested in losing weight. Once you start spreading this script using shortened links, you will start seeing results straight away and starting to earn money. To accomplish step 7, go to findforum.net. Browse all categories. The final selection under categories on our website will take you to a list of all the categories, each of which has thousands of forums from related themes. As you're talking about losing weight in your case, you can visit the health specialization. There are 2 sections, dieting and weight loss, and fitness and exercise. And if you click on dieting and weight loss, a plethora of further forums with millions of participants will surface. For instance, you may distribute the script to the community's almost 300,000 members who are considering losing weight. This is completely free for both you and them. They will be more likely to click on your links because you are not attempting to get them to buy anything or join up for anything. Only if viewers opt to watch the shared YouTube video will you receive payment. After copying the script, you can sign up for anything these forums by clicking on their name. You can join the forum and distribute the script there. There is no need for you to make it yourself because it has already been done for you. On those sites, where hundreds of thousands of users can see your script and click on your shortened link, you can get money by sharing YouTube videos. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.